Hey, today we're going to be talking about something real important, our health. And what we put into our bodies matters. We're diving deep into the world of vegan alkaline foods. Now you might be wondering, what in the world are alkaline foods? Well, they're like little miracles from the earth that help balance your body's pH levels. When your body's in balance, you feel energized, your skin glows, and you just feel good from the inside out. So, are you ready to nourish your body and feel amazing? We're about to unlock the power of 20 incredible vegan alkaline foods that'll have you feeling like your best self. Let's get started. First up, we got my favorite avocados. They're like a big old hug for your body, full of healthy fats and fiber. Next, we got spinach. It's like a superhero in a salad bowl, packed with vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers are like a tall glass of water for your body, keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Don't let their tart taste fool you. Lemons are like little bursts of sunshine that brighten up your insides. Oh, kale, you are something special. This leafy green is like a detox party for your body. Almonds are like little powerhouses of protein and alkalinity, perfect for a quick snack. Now, chard might not get as much love as its leafy green cousins, but let me tell you, it deserves a spot on your plate. Zucchini is like a blank canvas, ready to soak up all the delicious flavors you throw at it. Coconut water is like a tropical vacation in a bottle, so refreshing and hydrating. Sweet potatoes are like a warm hug on a plate, full of good-for-you carbs and fiber. Broccoli, oh broccoli, you're like a little tree of life, full of vitamins and minerals that make our bodies sing. Bell peppers are like little bursts of sunshine, adding color and flavor to any dish. Carrots are like little magic wands for your eyes, keeping them bright and healthy. Tomatoes are like little drops of sunshine, adding a burst of flavor to every bite. Okay now, I know some folks ain't too keen on Brussels sprouts, but don't you knock 'em till you try 'em. Parsley ain't just for making your plate look pretty. It's packed with flavor and good-for-you stuff. Chia seeds are like little nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber and omega-3s. Celery is like a tall drink of water for your body, keeping you hydrated and feeling your best. Beets are like nature's detoxifiers, helping to cleanse your body from the inside out. Seaweed might sound a little strange, but trust me on this one, y'all. It's like a superfood from the sea. There you have it. 20 amazing vegan alkaline foods that'll have you feeling energized and oh so good. Remember, healthy eating ain't about deprivation, it's about nourishment and joy. So go on and add these delicious foods to your plate and experience the power of an alkaline lifestyle. Incorporating these foods into your diet is like giving your body a big old hug from the inside out. You deserve to feel your best, and with these foods, you're well on your way. Thank you for spending this time with me in my kitchen. Don't forget to like, share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. Until next time, stay sweet and take care of yourselves.